Hi there, I'm Jeff with Triple Peaks Roofing and Construction. Ventilation is something that we firmly believe in. This is a gable vent here. It doesn't matter how you do it, from the inside or from the outside. You want to block off the gable vents. And right here you can see that we blocked them off. That way your ridge vent works correctly. And we did put edge vent down on this roof for intake. So this is one of those more important steps also. I'm Jeff with Triple Peaks Roofing and Construction, 440-925-0386. Call today, 440-925-0386.